Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you're all well. I'm just hopping on here. Happy Sunday to all of you. I'm just hopping on here to share with you a Christmas kit that I put together, and it will be in my shop. If you're seeing this video, it's in my shop, and I'll link the kit below. I have some ephemera pieces, like fussy cut ephemera pieces, and then I have a collage kit. So I'll just get started to show you. These are some of the ephemera pieces in the kit. I believe there are 6 pages. So there's ephemera kit, and then there's a journaling kit. So that's the first page. Here's the second page. Of course, I had to put a bunny in there. And there's a postcard and some, you can make a tag or a journaling card. Some fussy cut items. Look how cute. The little soldier, little cat soldier. So cute. These are all fussy cut items. The little teddy bear reading the book, the bird holding the candy cane, some poinsettias, and these little Victorian images. They're just so cute. Here's a little tag I made. The lion, he's adorable. Bambi, some Santa tags, like labels, a kitty, and she's so cute. I just love her so much. And Bambi and Santa, and some wax seals that say XMAS. I just thought they were really cute. Here's some more images. The bird carrying the Noel, some C's for Christmas, a winter scene from our church, some holly, girls. It's so adorable. So that is the kit, 6 pages of an ephemera kit. And then you can use it along with this kit. Now, some of the images are not the same, but there are some that are the same. So this is the, I've made this journaling kit so that you can use it both ways. You can use it in the regular style journal, like this. And then, of course, you can make it smaller as well. And then you also can use it in the tall, thin journal. So I'll get to that and show you. So this is a page in the kit. I just think it's so cute on either side. It's just adorable. And here's another page in the kit. And here's what it looks like. It's so cute. I'm going to keep saying it's so cute. This is my favorite. I just think it's adorable. How cute is that little lion? He's got a crown on his head. I put some candy canes on the tree while the teddy bear is reading the book. It's just so cute. Here's another page. There are 7 pages, 7 collage pages. And this would be available in my shop. And I just figured I'd hop on here and share it with you. And then I will see you guys tomorrow for Merry Monday. Look how cute. This is more of a blue theme. There's some blues, greens, and reds, of course. I mixed them together. Blues, greens, and reds in the theme. Here's another page. And here's another page. It's so cute. I just love it so much. Okay, and then these are the pages that you can print on the backs. So, let's see. I did a few. I believe there are, I think there are 5. I think so, or maybe 4. Well, anyway, here's one. And here's 2. Here's 3, 4, and 5. So there's 5. So you can print those along the backs of the pages. They look nice on the backs of things. And then you can use the ephemera to decorate it. Okay, let's keep going because I will show you. So the tall kit is just the same. It's just a little bit set up differently so that I can get it all on the page. So here's the first page of a tall kit. Second. Let's see. That's how it looks. And if you print it out for the tall books. I love it. And my favorite. I just love the lion so much. It's just so cute. And they're all the same pages. And each kit has the same pages. They're just set up for tall or the regular way. And then there's all the same journaling pages just set up for the tall books. And you can print them on the backs. This one in the blue. I like it in the blue. And then this one. They're just so adorable. So there are 5 backer pages, and then there are 7 collage pages. And in the ephemera kit, there are 6 pages. So the tall kit and the regular journaling kit will be in one kit. That'll be all one. You'll get both in the same kit. And then the ephemera is separate. Okay? And they're just so adorable. I just love them. And I made sure there's colors in each that you can use with each, or you can go clashy like I do. You know, I'm very clashy. All right, so I will see you guys again for tomorrow for Merry Monday. And you have the rest of a blessed, beautiful Sunday. See you soon. Blessings to all of you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, my little crafting buddies.